Hello, dear friends. We are here in our San Rafael tipi, and we have just done a beautiful Theta healing meditation with some lovely people who have shared the beauty of their souls and their heart, and they really made an incredible, gentle, healing, powerful meditation with me. So, first of all, I want to share this feeling of bliss, of grace, and gratitude with all of you, so that you can also be part and get into the beautiful energy that we still have and feel all around. So this is just a short summary of the meditation that we did for you to enjoy it and receive it as well as a gift from all of us and from the TP. So the meditation today was really about connecting with our hearts, with our souls, with the energy of the universe, all the creatures, all the beings, and really connecting ourselves with all that is and feeling really that we are part of and we are coming from that divine energy and that divine sparkle, and we all have it inside of ourselves. So first of all, I will guide you through a journey aiming to facilitate this connection or reconnection to your soul, to your beautiful soul. And then we will also do maybe a general healing of the physical body as well. So, as we always do, you just need to relax, find a nice and comfortable place. You don't need a specific position for this meditation. You just need to let go and relax and enjoy. So you can stay seated, you can lay down as you wish. And as always, this is a meditation based on the Theta Healing technique. So when you are ready, just take a few very slow, deep, and gentle breaths at your own pace, at your own rhythm. Really feel that there is no need to rush, that there is no time passing by or running by. There is no clock ticking. We are always in connection with the law of time. So let's also start removing all the conflicts, all the collective consciousness, all the energies, all the beliefs that tell us that we always have to rush and run and do something and be on the action side. No, now we can just relax and just be. So allow this beautiful feeling of you just being in the here and now with yourself to come in. And relax. Feel your mind calming down. Feel your lungs having a better chance to take in all the oxygen to nourish your blood, who then goes into your heart and makes your heart shine brighter and brighter and brighter. And this oxygen into your heart, into your blood, then can go and nourish all your body, all the cells of all your organs, starting from the very top of your head, going down into your face, relaxing all the muscles, all the cells of your nervous system, and going down your neck. Feel this very gentle and relaxing energy and feeling going into your shoulders, expanding and going down into your back, into your arms and into your hands and into your fingertips as well, into your chest, into your stomach, into your intestine, into your hips and into your pelvic area. At the end of your back as well. Maybe in this area you can feel a lot of tension. Maybe you can feel that there could be some feelings or emotions about worrying that are making your muscles and organs very tense. Maybe some fears as well. Maybe some frustrations and resentments. Whatever it is that comes up for you, could also be some memories or images or anything about past traumas that you may have experienced in your life, something very unpleasant, something very painful, especially in your lower belly. That is fine. Don't resist these feelings. Just very gently, very lovingly embrace them with this loving energy and allow them to get out of your body, of your cells. And take a few deep breaths, and when you exhale, just let them go and feel that you become lighter and lighter and lighter as you do so. And feel your muscles in your belly, in your abdomen, relaxing more and more. And the same happens in your face, in the jaw, in your cheeks, in your mouth, in your tongue, in your shoulders. Just allow the heaviness, the stress, the tension to go away, to be gently cleansed by this beautiful energy of love and compassion that is coming into your body. And the same energy is charging the oxygen that you are now breathing. So just visualize this beautiful air that enters your lungs, being very shiny and sparkling, and illuminating all of your body. And as you do so, you feel more and more connected with your heart, with your soul. And let's call in your soul. Now that we are making this beautiful space in your heart, your soul can join your body, your space, even more. So just feel it, allow it to happen, knowing that it's safe for you to be connected or reconnected to your soul, to your divine essence. You are this beautiful energy. So let's also remove all the limiting beliefs, all the painful things that maybe other people have said to you, all the critics, all the judgment that you may have received from friends, family, people in general, maybe even from yourself. Let's remove all this heaviness and allow the energy of love to come in, forgiveness to come in for yourself, for all these people that may have hurt you in the past or in the present. Let it go with ease and grace, knowing that now you are always guided, protected, supported by the energy of love that is connecting your soul with all your energy centers, with the energy of the Creator, of God, of the universe, as you wish to call it. And this is the most authentic part of yourself that you can really trust. You know that you can trust this part. It will never let you down. This is your highest guide. So if you give me the permission to do so, I am now gonna integrate all these healings in your mind, in your heart, in your physical body, on all the levels, all the layers. And just enjoy for a few moments these beautiful feelings of peace, calmness, relaxation. Maybe you can even feel the presence of angels, spiritual guides, maybe other loving people and souls that are all over you, even animals, any loving, benevolent beings. So just open up your heart to receive all these beautiful things, all the abundance that the universe is willing to give you now. Really know that you are worthy of receiving everything you desire. You are more than good enough. You are more than welcome to open your heart and receive this unconditional love and abundance. To finally see and witness all your dreams and desires coming true, because now is your time. It is your time to shine. So now, just give yourself a sparkly shower of beautiful, sparkly white light, maybe with some pink and blue and golden glitters. And when you are ready, just come back to the here and now and very gently open your eyes. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.